Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Now, in this session, we are going to talk about the African American writers, okay? The major African American writers chronology. So, as we've been doing the chronology of American writers, so this session, African American major writers. So, let's start with the first one. 18th century, only one writer, which is Phillis Wheatley. So, very important. Phillis Wheatley, born in 1753, passed away in 1784. Phillis Wheatley. Second writer is Frederick Douglass. Now coming to the 19th century. Frederick Douglass, born in 1818. Now, talking about Phillis Wheatley, I think you all remember, was the first African American to publish a book of poetry. Slave, जो भाग गई थी, slavery के ऊपर इन्होंने work लिखा. So she wrote this work called Poems on Various Subjects, ठीक है? Religious and Moral, 1773 में. Coming to Frederick Douglass, born in 1818. ही वॉज एन ऑटोबायोग्राफर. इन्होंने लिखी है ऑटोबायोग्राफी और ऑटोबायोग्राफर भी रहे हैं. ये अबॉलिशनिस्ट भी थे एंड इनका नोटेबल वर्क है नैरेटिव ऑफ द लाइफ ऑफ फ्रेडरिक डगलस 1845. थर्ड नेम इज हैरियट जेकब्स. Harriet Jacobs, born in 1813. Passed away in 1897. Again, slave narrative writer. And she wrote this work called Incidents in the Life of a Slave Girl in 1861. Coming to the 20th century, which was also a time of Harlem Renaissance. And after that, we have the name of Du Bois. Born in 1868, passed away in 1963. So he was a sociologist, he was civil rights के activist रहे हैं ये. और इन्होंने लिखा एक notable work which is very important, exam भी पूछा गया है, The Souls of Black Folk. The Souls of Black Folk, 1903 में. Next name is Langston Hughes. Langston Hughes, born in 1902, passed away in 1967. Langston Hughes. Very nice poetry, very simple poetry talking about the African life. He was also a leading figure of the Harlem Renaissance. And he wrote the works like The Weary Blues, 1926, Montage of a Dream Deferred, 1951. ठीक है. Next name is Zora Neale Hurston. Zora Neale Hurston. ये पहले आएंगी एक्चुअली 1891. ये पहले आएगा नाम 1891 यहाँ पे हैरियट जेकब्स के बाद. पास्ड अवे इन 1960. एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट एंड नॉवलिस्ट. मेजर वर्क देयर आईज वर वॉचिंग गॉड, 1937 का वर्क है इनका. उसके बाद रिचर्ड राइट. Richard Wright, 1908, passed away in 1994. Richard Wright. His major work is Native Son, 1940, and also Black Boy, 1945. Another important name is Ralph Ellison. Ralph Ellison, 1914, passed away in 1994. Invisible Man, an amazing work, a very important work. Invisible Man, 1952. ठीक है. इसी टाइम में लॉरेन हैंसबरी, लॉरेन हैंसबरी, 1930, and passed away in 1965. तो ये भी पहले आएंगे, नहीं सॉरी, इन्हीं के बाद आएंगे. 1930. लॉरेन हैंसबरी, he was a playwright of the civil rights era, and he wrote this work called A Raisin in the Sun, a very nice work, 1959 में. ठीक है, तो ये आ गए आपकी 20th century हार्लेम रेनेसां एंड बियॉन्ड. सो फिलिस व्हीटली, फ्रेडरिक डगलस, हैरियट जेकब्स. उसके बाद आपके ये जोरा नील हर्स्टन, फिर डुबोइस, लैंगस्टन ह्यूग्स, रैल्फ एलिसन, रिचर्ड राइट, रैल्फ एलिसन एंड लॉरेन हैंसबरी. Now coming to the postmodern and the contemporary literature. So we have James Baldwin. James Baldwin, 1924, passed away in 1987. He was an essayist, he was a novelist, he was a playwright, and he's very important for writing this work called Go Tell It on the Mountain, 1953 में इन्होंने लिखा था. और दूसरा वर्क The Fire Next Time, 1963 का वर्क है. टोनी मॉरिसन हमने लास्ट क्लास में देख लिया था, इनका नाम टोनी मॉरिसन, 1931 2019, Nobel Prize winning novelist, you all know, and beloved, Song of Solomon, so many nice works. Maya Angelou, सबकी favorite. ये पहले आएंगी 28, यहाँ पे 1928, 2014. She was a memoirist, she was a poet, feminist poet, or we can say talking about the African life mainly. African Americans के बारे में बहुत कुछ लिखा है इन्होंने. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, Phenomenal Woman, so many nice works. Alice Walker, Alice Walker, 1944. Novelist, activist, The Color Purple. 1982 का वर्क है The Color Purple. August Wilson. August Wilson. August Wilson ने लिखा है ये 1945 में. He was born 2005, passed away. He wrote the Pittsburgh Cycle. It's a series of 10 plays. Pittsburgh Cycle. ठीक है? He has chronicled the African American life. So these are the major names. James Baldwin, Maya Angelou, Toni Morrison, Alice Walker, August Wilson. तो आज के लिए ये नाम है. Let's quickly revise. Started with Phillis Wheatley. Phillis Wheatley 1753, Phyllis Wheatley. Then we talked about Frederick Douglass, 1818. Harriet Jacobs, 1813. उसके बाद Du Bois, 1868. Langston Hughes, 1902. Zora Neale Hurston पहले 1891. फिर Langston Hughes 1902, Richard Wright 1908, Ralph Ellison 1914, Lorraine Hansberry 1930, James Baldwin 1924, Maya Angelou 1928, Toni Morrison 1931, Alice Walker 1944, August Wilson 1945. ठीक है, तो ऑगस्ट विल्सन आज का लास्ट नाम. African American major authors. Please go through them nicely. Look at the beginning writers, middle writers, last के contemporary writers, so that you have a nice understanding of the chronology. Thank you. I'll see you in the next session, जिसमें हम Indian writers की बात